Join us today as we visit the home of Joseph Holt, just a mile west of Addison, Kentucky. Joseph Holt is known to be the father of the Judge's Advocate General, appointed by Abraham Lincoln in 1862. He is best known for his duties in the office as the prosecutor in the Abraham Lincoln conspiracy trials. In 2008, the Friends of Holt Home, Incorporated, received grant money to be able to complete the restoration of the home. We were surprised when we pulled up to see a nice shaded area with lots of picnic tables. There were big shagbark hickories, oaks, and many other types of trees. So we decided to sit down and eat our lunch and enjoy the scenery before we toured the grounds. During this time frame, the house was not open to the public, but you can tour the grounds because Friends of the Holt Home Incorporated is all run by volunteers, and they come in and open it up one weekend out of the month through the summer and other special occasions and events that they host. We will leave information to their website in our description to this video. As we look at the house, on the left side, or 2/3, or the porch covered area, that was first built around 1850. The area to the right, or the door on the right, that was built in the 1870s. Standing on the front porch looking out over the Ohio plain and into the hills, you can only imagine what it was like in 1850 to sit on the porch in the afternoon and just enjoy yourself in the quiet and the peace. Walking around to the west side of the house, following the path, looks like we're going to what was the old outhouse. But at this time, it looks like it's been changed into a storage shed. We'll have a look around and you can see what it looks like on the inside. As we come around back, my wife had spotted a big ginkgo tree, which is kind of rare to see. And then also there was several pecans trees. As we look from the backside of the house, we come upon a water well, which is now called Betsey's wishing well. This is named after one of the African American slaves named Betsey that fell into the well and drowned when she first got there. This is also a memorial to the 47 different slaves that they have found on record associated with the Holt farm. There's also a list of all the names of the slaves that they have found, listed on rocks and also on the brick going to the well. Even though Mr. Holt was a slave owner, he was an advocate during the Civil War to keep Kentucky from seceding from the Union. Our ongoing excavation digs that are looking into seeing what they can find of the history of around the people of the Joseph Holt home and farm. Please be mindful not to disturb the area as you're visiting. On the porch here on the back, you can find information about the home and also how to donate and support the continuing remodeling and keeping this house open to the public. As we walk this way towards the family cemetery, you can see the picnic area that you can go and enjoy the shade. When we got to the gate was locked up, which I fully expected. So I reached in and tried to get a good view of the tombstone, hoping not to drop the video camera into the inside. we would like to thank the Friends of the Holt Home Incorporated for allowing us to be able to walk around this beautiful place. If you'd like to know more and how to visit, please check out the description below on how you can get there and contact. If you like this video, we would like for you to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll try to bring you more. Thank you.